In this video, we will be going over the replacing pin process on a Lofa panel plug for a tracked mini skid steer. Here we can see that in this instance a pin is broken. In order to replace the pin, you need to use a proper removal tool to remove the retainer lock. Or you can use a little wire that's bent with a little hook on the end and then pry the tabs on the side and top with the hook. Next, pry the tab of the pin with a flat screwdriver and pull the pin out. You can then snip the old pin off, crimp a new one on, and then put the new pin back in the plug socket. In order to prevent corrosion on the plugs and connections, you may want to apply some dielectric grease to your plugs, just as we're doing for the connections on the new mini skid steers.